Going on, pyros? It's gonna be my 2022 Firework Stash. So let's get right into it. First off, we got these Screaming Dragon rockets. Picked up some strobes. Got a red strobe. These silver strobes. Got some ground bloom flowers. Some crackling balls. 2 little baggies of the zippers. Some monster pops. Some single shot TKs. Always fun to mess around with. Moving on to, we got the 200 grams. 2 of the Sky's the Limit. Got a Shazam. The World Wonders. Sick and Twisted. Found me one of these Echo Freedoms. Real nice. Got a Candy Crush. This little cake, Hey Lucy. 20 shots on that one. Got a Cockeyed. Zoinks. Jinkies. 16 shots on those. Got this fountain up here, Color of Fury Mountains. Got a Poppin' Bubbly. 25 shot Zombies. Found these 2 Afterlives. They're nice for their size. So got a Angry Birds. One of the Minions Revenge. Moonshine Blast. Combat Zone. That was 25 shots. Got a Raccoon right here. Christmas Eve. Got 2 Sky Queens. Found a different size on it, but it should do the same. We got a Lion King, 16 shot on that one. Moving on to the 500 grams. We got here a Top Gun. 2 of these Hell's Bells. Picked up a Uric High. Massive Defense. Shout out to 365 Pyro for that one. Saw the demo on it, how to get it. Also got a Man's Best Friend. Miami Vice. Rising Proud. Nice fan cake. Zombies Party. The Justice League preload. Thunder and Rain. And got an Outcast, 49 shot. Winning Colors. Then we got a Let's Go Brandon. Nice Red and Blues. Also got a Inferno, 36 shot. Pigs on the Blanket. Got a Trump's Triumphs. And Don't Be a Hog. Now we got the big boy down here. Oh yeah. Got Bite of Death. Also picked up this Cocoa Puffs. Then we got this all neon. Nice orange in this one. Got 2 of these War of the Worlds. Man, if you see them, get them. It's insane. Then we got Witch Doctor. Those are the new compound versions. Got those adapters. Move on to this Chango. Ice Rapid cake right here. Real quick, but ooh-wee! Thing's a monster. Got some homemade built racks. Then moving on to the noise cans. Got a Green Lantern, some Dark Sides, got some Zombie Revenges, a couple of the Zombie Returns, some ZH cells, and these piggy cans. Forgot the name to them, but yeah. And 4 Rambos. And then this bag, we got the 4-inch Cocos. Assorted colors in here. Got some noise in there too. Then we got 3 boxes of Masters. Some Thunder Nation shells. Picked up a few of these Raccoon Ashiki shells. And some double break shells. Got noise, then noise and color. So that pretty much sums it up, Pyros. It's my complete firework stash. Thanks for watching, and always burn.